Hi guys, so this morning I'm going to do some sautéed purslane with parsley for breakfast. So I'm just heading into my garden so I can pick some of the parsley and some of the purslane so I can saute it with some garlic and have it for breakfast. So let's head into the garden and let's see if we can get some purslane to pick. Okay, so right here, what you see here, this is called purslane. So you can come in a little closer. Now there is something, another plant that is similar to this, but that one is poisonous. That one, if you break it and you see milk coming out of it, then that one is a poisonous one. But this one that I have here, this is the edible one, and this is called purslane. And purslane is very healthy. So I'm just gonna pick some of the purslane here. Let's see, how much purslane that we have? I think that should be good. Yeah, that looks good. All right, so let's see if we can get some parsley now. Let's head over here. Let's see, I have some here. So let me pick this one. And is there any over here that I can get? Let's see. I have to do a little bit of weeding. Okay, this is another one. All right, great. So that's here I have my purslane and my parsley. So now I'm just gonna head back inside and saute these with some garlic and have it for my breakfast. Okay, see you back inside.